Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are someone like me and you can't stop collecting tiny little jars that don't come with lids, you are going to need to get this collection of lids that are the perfect match for your favorite little yogurt jars.
These are bamboo lids with flower and herbs on them, and they are so pretty and just so simple looking, but they fit these little yogurt jars perfectly. They have a great little silicone rim that really makes a nice airtight seal, and they fit on there perfectly. And the silicone strip is removable for easy washing if you need to take them out and give those a good scrub. It really is such a good lid. They fit on there perfectly. It keeps everything nice and fresh on the inside, and they're not going to fall off. You can shake that jar all around and the lid is going to stay right on there. I love that they've made these because I love collecting jars, and you need a good lid for your jars, trust me.
So if you are a jar gremlin like me, you're gonna love this 12 pack of the perfect little lids for the cutest little jars. You need to get it. You're gonna love it. That's my point of view.